Alright, what's going on YouTube? You're now tuning into the life of Diesel, rocking with the old gracious one himself, man. What it do? It's your boy Young Diesel, Big Diesel. And what we doing today, man, we finna install a new spoiler on my Chrysler 300. As you can see, it came in a big schliggity long box. Tube, I should say. Alright, this our hamster today. We gonna be testing this shit out. I ain't never installed no spoiler before, but this shit literally just stick on, so you can't really fuck up. But we gonna go ahead and take this shit out the box. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like, and we gonna go ahead and put it on. This is it right here. It's nothing special. You see the brand is Fire Lip. It came with a little logo. I'm debating whether or not I'm gonna put it on. It's supposed to go on the back. But you see the overall style. You get the point. We gonna go ahead and install it right now. All right, as you can see, we got it on. Like I say, it's not major. It's just a little lip, basically, but kind of wings out. That shit look kind of clean if you ask me. And I'm still debating whether I'm gonna put that sticker right there. I'll show it to y'all once again when I get back in the car, but y'all get the point, man. Nice little touch. See, that's a sticker. It would go like that, basically. Comment below, let me know, should I put that on? But short video, that's pretty much it. That's all I got for right now. Stay tuned, because probably tomorrow, the next day, I got a video of a cold air intake install coming. So stay tuned for that. I will be doing that. I got a cold air intake from a 5.7 HEMI, Chrysler 300. Y'all already know. It's your boy, Young Diesel. I'm out, bitch. Bye.
Ever since I was a kid, I ain't never had shit. Anything I wanted, boy, I had to get up on my dick. I ain't taking handouts, I was taught to grind for it. Live for the moment, but I never die for it. One shady ass nigga tryna block my shine, boy. So I got a tool, keep it on my side, boy. Getting cameras rolling this fucking town, boy. Life is like a movie, can't press a wine, boy. Taking leaps of faith, living in the fast lane. Young boys stay the same, even when the cash came. I remember I was broke, now I'm on the cash train. Money's all I think of, guess I got a cash brain. Flow so raw, yeah, the flow so sick. Got money stacked up, I ain't get it all bricks. Young nigga on fire, ain't talking about big guys work hard work, that's the motherfucking mix. Gotta keep pushing, know the grind don't stop. I'ma kill the damn game, next time I hit the lot. Time to push button start, nigga push button stop. Once they hit the motor board, all the hoes won't